Hello everybody. Today I'm back with the same Sudoku fun. So how to say Sudoku. So the first one is Sudoku. It has four letter words and it's going to be bear. So let's start.
Okay.
So E-B-R. What is missing? A.
Yes.
So, E. We have to first write it like this. Oh, let's start with the three ones.
Yes.
A, E, B. Only the last one is this one. R, A, B, E, A.
Very good.
Now it's finished. Now, second is Sudoku number puzzle. 4. 1, 4, 2, 3.
Yes.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Check row wise. What is missing here?
4.
Good.
So now I'm back with this one. Shape Sudoku.
Yes.
So there are 4 shapes: rectangle, circle, square, triangle. So rectangle. Let's start with 3 ones. Triangle, rectangle, circle, square, triangle. Now let's get square. Today we did 3 different Sudokus. 1 alphabets, 1 number, and 1 shapes. So play Sudoku wherever you want, on the phone or paper, wherever you like. Play it with your friends. So try Sudoku. Sudoku is a puzzle. It's so much fun to solve puzzle, and Sudoku is a puzzle. Bye.